Do you have a house you want to sell quickly? Do you need a flexible closing date that fits your schedule? If so, give us a call here at kcmoHomeBuyer. We've bought hundreds of houses across the KC Metro over the past 20 years. We've been helping people who didn't really want to deal with all the hassles of selling a home, and we can do the same for you. So how does it work? We have 3 simple steps. Number 1, contact us. Just call or fill out a form on our website, and we'll set a time to come out and see your home. 2, if your property fits our home buying program, we can make a written cash offer. There's no obligation on your part. If you like our offer, we'll pay cash for your house and close on the date of your choice. We never charge a commission, and we'll work with you on all paperwork and closing costs. We really do buy as is, so there are no repairs to make on your part, there's nothing to paint, and there's no cleanup. And if you have items you really don't want to take with you, leave them behind. We'll take care of it. So if you have a house you need to sell fast and you don't want to waste your time, give us a call here at kcmoHomeBuyer.